Ready to save big on your lingerie? Let's dive right in. Hi there. We are a professional manufacturer of ladies' lingerie, and we've been in the B2B game for years. But guess what? Now we're bringing our fabulous collection directly to you. No more middlemen, no more extra commissions. Just high-quality lingerie at prices that'll make you smile. When you buy straight from us, you're getting the best deal possible. Why? Because you're not paying for all those extra fees that online marketplaces like Amazon and Flipkart charge. It's simple. We make it, you buy it, and you save big. Plus, you get to enjoy our exclusive designs that you won't find anywhere else. So, why wait? Head over to our online store and treat yourself to some luxurious lingerie, because you deserve the best without breaking the bank. Remember, buying directly from the manufacturer means better prices, better quality, and a better shopping experience. Say goodbye to extra fees and hello to fabulous lingerie. Click the link in our bio to start shopping now. See you there.